Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Chase Bank with Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Zoho Books and you want to go ahead and start keeping better track of your financial statements. And so with that, connecting your Chase Bank with Zoho Books should help you be able to achieve that. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved with this video. Be sure to stick around all the way till the end. Now, what we're first going to do is go onto our Zoho Books account, and then on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on banking. So once you click on banking, you have two buttons here. Click on connect bank/credit card. So we don't see Chase Bank just yet, guys, but don't worry, this is the most important step. You're going to click on connect now, and then just agree to the end user for automatic bank feeds, and then click on proceed. So from this page, now you'll actually see Chase as one of the banks. Click on Chase, and then from here, Chase, it's going to inform you that Chase is going to provide the following standard information to Zoho Books. So by clicking on continue, you basically agree that there's going to be a connection. And so with that, I'm not going to actually go ahead and proceed any further than this just because it's pretty self-explanatory after this. But that right here, there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Chase Bank with Zoho Books. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.